Man, it's calm. Yesterday it was blowing crazy. 25, 28 miles an hour. And I figured I woke up, I didn't plan on coming fishing today, but it was so calm. I said, well, let me go get out there and see what we can do real quick before that cold norther hits. So guys, I'm not gonna waste a lot of time commentarying right now because I only have one battery with me today, so we're gonna try to make it short and sweet and get us some fish caught. So we will see y'all when I see something. Later, guys. We hooked up with something, not real big, but it is definitely a fish. Oh, it is a little flounder, and I don't have my net out like normal. So we are going to try. Oh, come on, don't throw your head. Yeah, guys. He's hooked. Oh, he's not hooked. He's not hooked. Alright, guys. This is what you call very unprofessional. But I know if I lift him up, he's gone. He is gone, 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 like yesterday. Puff up the bottom. Ah, got him. Got him, guys. All right. Y'all see that? Look at that. Barely hooked. Yeah, that's what you say. Dude, why ain't you got your net out all the time? Yeah, I should. I just like to give the fish a fighting chance. Except for flounder. I don't give them no fighting chance. I like flounder. They taste some good eating. Alright. What are we gonna do with this little guy? I'm pretty sure he's a keeper. Can't keep many of them this time yet. Measuring backwards. Yeah, almost 16. Alright, guys. We'll put him in there. Oh, I know y'all guys didn't get to see me hook up to him because I had the camera off. I'm trying to save my battery today. Leave this out. Leave the net out today. Patch some holes in that thing. Alright, guys, let's go get another one. Fishing's been a little bit different again today. Tide's up just a little bit, and they're right against the bank. Every redfish I've seen has their nose stuck up in the weeds, but I'm not complaining. It's a beautiful day out here today, and well, let's just go get the next one. Look at these hooping cranes. In case any of you guys really want to see what a hooping crane looks up close, I just happened to see a couple right there. That's pretty cool. Easy. I don't want to have nothing to do. That's a male and a female, I think. Anyway, I don't get in trouble with Parks and Wildlife. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I know how them laws are on them birds. Man, don't mess with them birds. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. Alright, guys. There he goes. I seen him do a little busting on some bait up here. So I switched the camera on real quick. There he is, guys. Hey, boy, what you doing up here? Hey, got any friends up there? You look a little short to me. Ooh, but you're a fish. And on a fairly slow day, I will take any fish I can get. Not literally take them home if they're not legal. He might be legal, but I will take him as a fight. See, wasn't all that much of a fight. Easy guy. Easy guy, you. Now see, now did that feel good? No. Settle down, guy. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh yeah. Alright. Loose of the hook. Okay. Alright, let's set that there. Nose, where the nose goes. Oh, 20 and a half. 20 and a half. Well, seeing as it's been a little while since we caught the flounder, I think we need to take him because I'm thinking about, you know, having a little bit of a fish fry. And that little flounder may not be quite enough. So I might need to have a little redfish along with him. So, anyway, guys, once again, Chicken of the Sea, Down South Lures, 1/8 jig head. All right, guys, that's good. That's good right there. Let's just move on down the line here. But anyway, well, I guess we will move on to the next one. We'll see you in a little while. Yes, I just hooked up to something right here. Here's a little old trout. I seen him popping some bait right here in this little cut. I said, I'm gonna pitch over there and see. Sure enough, that's a little trout. Little fat rascal. I sure wish he'd be long enough. Cause I like trout. Oh, there you go. All right, easy guy. Boy, it's 15. Oh, God. Boy. Rub a lot of that slime off. But he'll go. He'll make it. Oh, go away, guy. Go away. Here he goes. I hate when I got to rub the slime off of him like that. But yeah, I might could have took him. He was 15 but I don't know if you guys know it, but when they're 15 on the nose and you put them on ice, they will actually shrink a 1/4 inch. And the game warden will not. He ain't gonna care. You tell him, well, he's 15 when I caught him. Nope. I had a cousin that got nailed like that. Anyway, all right, guys. What we got here? Oh, a little rat. A little rat. All right, guys. I pulled in this little bitty pond, and there ain't no way to get here except a tiny little ditch. I see a lot of action in here. Good action. I just don't know what we're gonna find up here. Look, there's a tail stuck up right there. There's a big bust up there. So let me see if I can. Oh, that's pretty far. A little to the left where the tail popped up. Really shallow up here. All right, guys, on to the next one. All right, guys, got something. It was right there. A little redfish laying there. All right, guys, I'm right in the same spot where that little rat was at, but I never turned the camera off. I just kind of thought I seen that tail, so I said we're gonna see if we can't kind of sneak around here and get us one. That's a good looking fish right there, guys. I think he's gonna be a keeper. Yippers. Yeah. This is a little sanctuary up here. No one can get to it unless you're in a kayak. You try to wade in here, it's a little boggy, so you don't want to try to get out here and wade. You be up to your waist. Come here, guy. I know you ain't really fought that much, so you're a little green, but let's go and get you in. Nice fish. Nice fish here. Oh yeah. 21 and a half. Nice little fish. Pretty little rascal. Pretty. Yep. Can't complain about that. Not at all. Not at all, guys. Well, we're kind of running out of room again from my circle, and so I don't know. We'll just have to see. But if I don't run across another one between here and my boat, well, I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving if I don't put up a video before then, and have a blessed day, and we will talk to you later.